Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can insert emojis into your Google Sheets. Now, if you are using Google Sheets on your iPad or on your mobile device, you already have an emoji keyboard built in, so you won't need to follow these instructions. You'll just go to your keyboard and insert the emojis that way. So the first way we can do it is by going to the menu up here and clicking insert. Once we click on insert, actually, let's backtrack. Let's click on a cell that we want to insert the emoji in, and then we'll go to insert, and then we'll go all the way down towards the bottom. It's the fourth from the last item on that list, and you're going to click on it. It says emoji. And once you do that, your box is going to populate, and then you can go in and you can choose from the little emojis that you have there, and then you'll just insert them. The other way to do it is by using a shortcut on your keyboard. For your Mac computer, you would hit Control Command Space, and it will bring up your emoji display box and you'll choose from them. And I'm on a Windows computer. So for Windows users, you're going to hit the Windows button and then you're going to hit period at the same time. And once you do that, you'll see that your little box populates and you can go in and choose your emoji from there. So that is how you insert emojis into your Google Sheets. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.